Our Earth does not only carry towering mountains and endless oceans, but also bears gigantic scars left behind by the cosmos. These are the impact craters, silent reminders of violent collisions between our planet and massive rocks that once hurtled from space. Each crater is not just evidence of the universe's destructive power, but also a vault of secrets about ancient climates, life itself, and even human legends. Join us as we uncover the most magnificent and terrifying impact craters ever discovered on Earth. Number 1. Pingualuit Crater, Canada. In the frozen silence of Canada lies a haunting sight, Pingualuit Crater. From above, it looks like a colossal frozen eye, silently watching humanity. At its center rests a calm, crystal blue lake that mirrors the sky like a primordial glass. But the longer you look, the more unsettling it becomes, as if it could swallow anyone who dares step too close. Scientists estimate the impact that formed this crater unleashed energy equal to hundreds of nuclear bombs detonating at once. To put it into perspective, such force could erase an entire city in the blink of an eye. Yet instead of striking civilization, the meteor carved its scar deep into the wilderness, leaving behind an icy wound on Earth's face, a scar that never heals. Today, the lake inside is often called a time portal because its sediments preserve thousands of years of Arctic climate history. But for those who stand on its shores, the feeling is different. Eerie, silent, almost as if the Earth itself is guarding an ancient secret. A secret that could change everything, should it ever awaken again. Number 2. Lonar Crater, India. Amid the arid plains of India lies a colossal circle that locals have long called the Mark of the Meteor. This is Lonar Crater, a rare impact crater carved into basalt rock, the kind usually found in violent volcanic regions. At its heart lies a saline alkaline lake with such strange chemistry that it can corrode metal. Locals say if you drop an iron object into its waters, it soon becomes stained and ruined, as if the lake itself were filled with the Earth's own natural acid. But the most unsettling moment came in 2020, when the lake suddenly turned bright pink within days, shocking the world. Scientists explained it as a bloom of salt-loving microbes, yet many villagers saw it as a supernatural omen. From above, the pink lake resembled nothing less than a giant well of blood, eerily pulsing in the barren land. Lonar Crater is not only proof of the destructive power of the cosmos, but also a chilling reminder. The Earth still holds secrets that defy human understanding. Number 3. Kara Crater, Russia. Hidden deep in Russia's frozen wilderness lies a colossal mystery few have ever seen, Kara Crater. Stretching more than 65 kilometers wide, it is vast enough to swallow an entire modern city. Yet most of it remains buried beneath thick glaciers, like a giant scar concealed under Earth's icy skin. Scientists believe the impact that created Kara Crater released energy millions of times greater than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. But the most chilling detail is its age. The crater formed long before the extinction of the dinosaurs, proving that Earth has suffered devastating cosmic blows more than once. Imagine this: if a similar asteroid struck today, it could wipe out an entire nation in an instant. The frozen Siberian landscape has preserved this scar for millions of years, a frozen warning that from the depths of space, destruction can strike again at any moment. Number 4. Barringer Crater, USA. Hidden deep within the forests of Quebec, Canada, lies one of the most stunning and well-preserved cosmic scars on Earth, Manicouagan Crater. Spanning more than 100 kilometers across, it's so vast that it could easily swallow the entire city of New York. From above, it forms a perfect ring, earning the eerie nickname, the Eye of Quebec. Today, this colossal crater has become a massive reservoir, generating hydroelectric power for the region. Yet beneath its tranquil waters lies a violent past. Around 214 million years ago, a gigantic asteroid struck this very spot, releasing energy equal to millions of nuclear bombs, enough to annihilate all life within hundreds of kilometers. Imagine this: as you gaze upon the calm waters, you are standing on the remnant of an ancient apocalypse. Like a gigantic eye staring back at humanity, Manicouagan serves as a chilling reminder that from the depths of space, destruction can come again. Number 5. Wolf Creek Crater, Australia. Buried beneath the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico lies one of the most infamous impact sites in Earth's history, Chicxulub Crater. Measuring over 180 kilometers wide, it's so massive that you could place the entire city of Tokyo inside, and there would still be room to spare. Around 66 million years ago, a colossal asteroid, nearly 10 kilometers wide, about the size of Mount Everest, slammed into Earth at unimaginable speed. The impact unleashed energy equal to billions of nuclear bombs. In an instant, mega tsunamis hundreds of meters high surged outward, firestorms swept across continents, and a thick dust cloud blocked sunlight for years. The aftermath was catastrophic. Over 75% of all life on Earth vanished, including the mighty dinosaurs. And the most chilling thought? If a similar asteroid were to strike today, our entire human civilization could be erased in the blink of an eye. Number 6. Manicouagan Crater, Canada. In the heart of South Africa lies what appears to be an ordinary landscape, but hidden beneath it is Earth's greatest scar, the Vredefort crater. It is the largest impact site on the planet, originally stretching nearly 300 kilometers wide, about the distance from New York City to Philadelphia. Over 2 billion years ago, a massive asteroid slammed into Earth with unimaginable force. The impact fractured the planet's crust and left behind the enormous Vredefort dome, a colossal ring of rocks still visible today. Standing within this ancient dome feels like being surrounded by towering stone walls, as if you've stepped into the aftermath of a cataclysm from Earth's earliest days. It's a haunting reminder that our planet has faced apocalyptic strikes before, and could one day face them again. Number 7. Chicxulub Crater, Mexico. Rising out of the barren deserts of Central Australia is a massive stone ring, like a natural fortress. This is the Gosses Bluff crater, created by a meteorite impact nearly 142 million years ago. Scientifically, the original crater stretched 22 kilometers wide, but erosion has left behind a striking ring of mountains about 5 kilometers across, like a scar carved deep into Earth's surface. But to the Arrernte people, this place holds a sacred story. In their Dreamtime mythology, they say the sky once dropped a giant baby's cradle, and where it struck the ground, the circular mountain range was formed. A tale both mystical and unsettling, blending the cosmic and the divine. For scientists, Gosses Bluff is an ancient impact site. For the indigenous people, it is a sacred memory of creation. And standing there, surrounded by towering cliffs, you can't help but wonder, is this a remnant of the universe or the fingerprint of the gods? Number 8. Clearwater Lakes, Canada. Hidden within the vast wilderness of Quebec, Canada, lie two almost perfectly round lakes known as the Clearwater Lakes. From above, they appear as two colossal eyes carved deep into the Earth's surface, staring silently at humanity across hundreds of millions of years. At first, scientists believed they were the result of a double impact, two asteroids striking simultaneously. But later studies revealed a far stranger truth. The craters were formed at entirely different times, separated by hundreds of millions of years. This means that the very same patch of Earth was struck twice by the cosmos. An almost unbelievable coincidence, as if the sky itself chose this spot to unleash its wrath. When you zoom in on the map, the lake's outlines are hauntingly perfect, so circular that they look as if drawn by an enormous cosmic compass. Some describe Clearwater as mirrors of the universe's memory, reflecting violent events no human eye ever witnessed. At night, standing by the still shoreline, the dark surface of the water resembles a bottomless black mirror. One might feel an invisible gaze staring back, as if the Earth itself remembers the nightmares that once fell from the sky. The Clearwater Lakes are not only breathtakingly beautiful, they are chilling reminders that at any moment, another rock from the void could return and carve new scars into our world. Thank you for joining this journey into the colossal scars left on Earth by the cosmos. Each crater is not only proof of destructive power, but also a reminder that our planet remains fragile against the mysteries beyond. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next chilling mystery. See you in the next adventure.